boss, Mr. Toby. Please come on the stage.
Okay, everybody. Today, our 24th yearly meeting. 10 years, life is not easy. The new people, when you come here, like recent 5 years, you will see our company is growing, right? When we are going to good, we should be standing in the position of the down to see this guy is good, why this is good. This is not good, why this one is not good. How we can stop us? We can continually goes up. When thinking about this one together for the future, step by step. Okay, from what I'm talking, you understand why we need together for future, step by step. I hate quick money. I hate something not honest. I hate something that people go shortcut. So what in my life, we're doing business, whatever I do, we always focus on step by step. I don't want next 1 year going too much far away. I mean, this way is dangerous way. I hate this way because we are falling down from this way. We don't repeat the same road.